Watch him man. 2 barra in a 1 week. Hey, what's going on YouTube? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. There upon another fishing adventure today. Just get some bait and reach at my location. It's a little bit late in the day now still, but nevertheless still come out and we hope so we can get something. It take a little bit of while to find bait this morning, but we eventually find a few mullet and a few shad. So I end up leave out a little bit late to come here. But that said, I just reach and park up the vehicle and I walk and come around here, and it's bright sunny day, no cloud in the sky. And as soon as I reach right to my plan to do some fishing today, rain start fall. So I don't know how long this plan to keep up, because the time now overcast, is bright blue skies, and I understand how comes rain just decide to just come down. So, but I don't pack up same way still, because just reach and I not even put out no line yet. So I will try see if I can get set up and get some lines in the water. So just stay tuned, and as soon as I done set up and everything and I hook up, tune in back to you guys. But guys, thanks again for the support that you guys have been giving to me over the past couple of weeks. Just continue to support, like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends about it and have them subscribe as well. So until me get a hookup guys, Hartman Adventure out here funny again. Alright guys, first fish on. What is this? Long jaw. Oh man. Long jaw guys. First fish of the day. Look at that guys. Look at the teeth on this thing. Might have to change this leader line shortly or before I put it back out, because these long jaws, whenever them hold it, usually spells the end for this for that leader line. See me here guys. I'm not going to keep him today. Don't want any of these today, so there he is guys. He's swimming off. It's not swimming off very fast, but he's swimming off. There goes. Guys, it's a good thing I wasn't bouncing on this fence where I set up today, because just figure out that there's a wasp nest right above my head right here. So it's a lucky thing I wasn't bouncing on this fence, because I would be running. I don't know if you guys can see them, but there's a wasp nest right above my head right now. So I'm just going to keep my distance from the fence today so I don't disturb them. So I'm bridging all the way down there, so guys, I catch shad. I'm probably gonna have a whole heap of shad by now, because I'm down there for a while now, and him just go out maybe about knee height in the water and just throwing hand line and catch shad. Enough shad around there now guys. Nice size shad round there. Fish on, guys. Another long jaw, but never want him at all. Never want another long jaw today. Fish on. Oops, they're gone again. Oh boy. Yo! You want him? You want that one, yeah? Long jaw. No, I'm going to throw him back. You want it? Alright. See him here, guys. Another long jaw. Second fish for the day. Parry, when I tell you, say, parry, when it down, they saw catch sound shad. I'm a little bit closer now, so I ask him if he want that one here, so I give him that one here. Because I don't keep no long jaw today. No long jaw today. It's been a pretty long day. I was supposed to change spot already, but Uncle Berty went call me and say for wait for him, because he may want to come around and come make we do some lure fishing. So now Uncle Berty reach, Uncle Berty they down there, so I throw lure. So I'm about to pack up from here, so I go round the other side there and go throw some lure.
Let me king get way now.
What you have there, Barra? Yes, people. Huh? Yes, people, Uncle Berty hook up on something. Hold them, Uncle Berty. Uncle Berty with the lure action this evening. Hold him, Uncle Berty. You should have carried a gaff to you, know, my boy. Barra! I see him lure you hold him pan, not you? You change it?
I go change the lure now.
Hey.
1, 2 out now. Pay a bait fish out here now.
Alright, I tell you from to them, I see bait fish them.
Pay a bait fish out here, my friend.
Yeah, I go feed you and come. Oh, in the close, you know?
Yeah, when they're close a while ago.
See him right in front of you there.
My first, brother. I'm coming now.
I come there, so. See him there? Him big, you know?
Oh.
Big old Barra, you know, my boy.
Go behind him now. Go behind him now.
Go on.
Behind him, my friend. Behind him. Alright, same side again, you know.
Same size like the last one.
Just go sideways, man. Just go sideways. No, man. Just go sideways, so. Yeah, man, I'm afraid. Just go sideways. Sideways, my friend. One more them, my friend. One more them, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Berty.
One more
Sunday and today. No, sir.
That's a side, man. That's what inside me. My friend, if I just come and can't move now, just bully me.
Watch him, man.
One more at them, my friend. You can't bite yourself in a go and move. So my friend, you say you real about it?
No.
My friend, may I call you? May I not call you, you know. You say me first dash me dash.
Yeah.
Bait fish like a nothing. Tell them, man. One
You
more.
see, you can't cheat this a blue can. You see, Changa one.
Sir, get us now. I'm holding it so I can't move.
And take out it.
No, man. Hit him in the head, no, man.
You done for this, you know?
No, I can't.
Uncle
No, I can't come, my friend. Don't get to this again.
Berty. Hold him up, hold him up. Uncle Berty with a great barra.
Hartman at them.
Hartman Adventures at them, man. Some lure action this evening, guys. We have live bait, but nothing on go on, so start show some lure and Uncle Berty hook up. Let's say one more again.
One more again.
Alright, we're going for the other lure and come back.
Yeah.
Next one, Sunday gone bigger. Uncle Berty with a barra. Alright guys, you notice all the way out that side, that's rain coming. So, still out here. Hey, me just get a nudge in a boy. Sitting just touch it. Right on my foot here, so. Exactly. I tell us last week, Saturday when I pass here, man, I see one long jaw, big one, bite in a half. Yes guys, so the rain is finally up on us. So we're coming out of the water now because you know, sometimes you might get a lightning strike unexpectedly. So it's not safe to be in the water at this time. But we're still going through the lure from the road up here and try to work the shoreline. Go down just the same. Hey, watch him man. 2 bar in a 1 week. 2 bar. Alright, that's what I see next long jaw. Right side of that tire, yeah. See him bite in a half. I just see head part, I see it there, right that side of the tire. Bar, yeah? Heavy on that in a Berty? Yeah man, heavy on that. I don't have to ask that. And the one we catch Sunday went, what, 20 pound? 20 pound. Yeah man, that one they went taller, because when you hold him up almost 3 height. Yeah. Yeah man, the next one went taller man. But that one you look wider. Yeah. So I may say, alright, let's see long jaw. Bite in a half. You know, say a barra bite him up. The tail part. I tell you, say I want big long jaw because when I come there, I see head and I take up the head and I look on him and say, I must barra bite him in a half and left him so. Yes guys, so that's it for today's adventure. Leaving from the spot now. Rain come down, so pretty much heading home now. I went out here, I got 2 long jaw today. I didn't keep any of them, I gave away one and threw back one. And then Uncle Berty called me and said he's back on the way, so don't move yet. So we did it and then we start through a lure in the afternoon. Uncle Berty hooked up on a nice barra, very nice barra and hook up on. And then the rain start fall, so it's not safe to be in the water when rain and fall and lightning. So we back up and we head out now, but it was a good little walk from the car all the way up to where we were fishing, so pretty much soaked. Well, rain it start fall from the inner water, so soaked now, you can see it wet up and everything, but still had a lot of fun, driving out at this place now, heading back to the main road. So until another time guys, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you did enjoy this video. So another time we'll go back around and see if we can get a barra hook up. So thanks again for supporting us.